Hello friends, how are you? This video is for you. Watch completely and understand me. Please watch this video.
I'm going under and I feel this time there's no one to save me.
That's on my balcony.
This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy.
Every day come and
I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain, and now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you